Welcome to Burns Hustles, where we turn side hustles into cash. Have you ever stopped to wonder how AI could potentially revolutionize side hustles, real estate, and stock investing? In our day-to-day lives, we often find ourselves pondering about the hustle and bustle of the traditional ways of making an extra buck, buying a property, or even navigating the complex world of stocks and exchange-traded funds. These traditional methods have served us well, but they're not without their challenges and limitations. Let's take side hustles, for example. The beauty of a side hustle is that it allows you to generate extra income outside of your full-time job. However, it also means juggling multiple responsibilities, which can be both time-consuming and mentally draining. Plus, the success of your side hustle largely depends on your personal expertise and the amount of effort you're able to put in, which isn't always feasible with a 9-to-5 job. Then, there's real estate investing. The allure of owning a property and generating a steady stream of rental income is indeed enticing, but managing a property isn't a walk in the park. From finding the right tenants to dealing with maintenance issues, it's a full-time job in itself. Not to mention the high entry barrier due to the enormous capital requirement. And let's not forget about stock and ETF investing. The stock market, with its potential for high returns, has always been an attractive investment avenue, but the risk factors are equally high. It requires a deep understanding of market trends, financial data, and economic indicators, which is not everyone's cup of tea. Now imagine a world where these challenges are mitigated by the power of AI. A world where artificial intelligence takes on the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. A world where the risk factors are minimized, the need for expertise is reduced, and time-consuming tasks are automated. That's the revolution we're talking about. A revolution that could change the way we think about side hustles, real estate, and investing forever. Side hustles have always been about leveraging skills and time for extra income, but what if AI could make it even more efficient and profitable? Imagine an algorithm that curates opportunities tailored to your skills, or a virtual assistant that helps manage your tasks, freeing up your time and allowing you to focus on what you do best. Now let's take it a step further. What if AI could enhance your skills? Picture a language learning app that uses AI to adapt to your learning style, making you a more effective communicator in your freelance writing gig. Or perhaps a design software that learns from your style, helping you create stunning visuals faster for your graphic design hustle. These aren't just hypotheticals, they're realities being shaped by AI today. The potential for growth and profitability in side hustles is expanding, thanks to artificial intelligence. With AI, side hustles could become more than just an extra income source, but a major revenue stream. Real estate, a sector often seen as complex and risky, could see a major transformation with the advent of AI. Imagine a world where artificial intelligence helps you navigate the intricacies of property investment with ease. This is no longer a distant dream, but a rapidly approaching reality. AI is poised to revolutionize the way we predict market trends. Instead of relying on historical data and human intuition, we could harness the power of machine learning to forecast property values with unprecedented accuracy. It's like having a crystal ball, but one powered by algorithms and big data. In addition to market predictions, AI could also automate many of the mundane tasks associated with property management. Think about rent collection, maintenance scheduling, and tenant communication, all handled by intelligent systems, freeing up time for investors to focus on strategy and growth. The future of real estate could be smarter and more accessible with AI Picture, a world where anyone, regardless of their background or expertise, can confidently invest in property thanks to the power of artificial intelligence. The stock market, with its volatility and complexity, could be made simpler and more profitable with AI. Imagine for a moment a world where you don't need to pore over financial news, study market trends, or even understand complex trading algorithms to succeed in the stock market. This isn't a distant dream, it's the reality that artificial intelligence is creating for us. AI has the potential to revolutionize stock investing in 3 key ways: predicting stock trends, automating trading, and managing investment portfolios. Let's delve a bit deeper into each of these areas. Firstly, predicting stock trends. AI systems can analyze vast amounts of data at lightning speed, something that would be impossible for a human to achieve. They can review historical data, current market conditions, company financials, and even global news to identify patterns and predict future trends. This means that investors can make informed decisions based on hard data rather than hunches or gut feelings. Next, automating trading. AI can conduct trades on your behalf based on predefined criteria or strategies. This means that you can take advantage of market movements 24/7 without having to be glued to your computer screen. It also eliminates the risk of human error or emotional trading decisions, which can often lead to losses. Lastly, managing investment portfolios. AI can assess your risk tolerance, financial goals, and investment preferences to create a personalized portfolio. It can then continuously monitor and adjust your portfolio to ensure it remains aligned with your goals. This takes the stress out of managing your investments and allows you to focus on other areas of your life. Artificial intelligence isn't here to replace human investors, but rather to empower them. It provides tools and insights that can help both novice and experienced investors make smarter, more strategic decisions. With AI, stock investing could become less about gambling and more about strategic decision-making. The future is not just about AI, but how we can harness its power for our benefit. As we've seen, the impact of artificial intelligence on side hustles, real estate, and stock investing is profound. AI can automate mundane tasks, provide valuable insights and predictions, and help us make informed decisions. In side hustles, AI can help identify lucrative opportunities, streamline operations, and maximize profitability. When it comes to real estate, AI can analyze market trends, property values, and consumer behavior, making property investment more accessible and less risky. In the world of stock investing, AI can process vast amounts of data and make predictions with a level of accuracy that surpasses human capabilities. However, with great power comes great responsibility. It's important to consider the ethical implications of AI and ensure that its use benefits everyone, not just a select few. The revolution is here. Are you ready for the AI era?